Hey there, just wanted to make a quick video on how I made the teeth for the Kanima video that I've just uploaded. You can find the video in the description below. First, place polymorph beads in a bowl and pour boiling hot water over them until they turn clear. This means they have softened and you're able to mold and shape them. Carefully scoop some out and roll into a sausage. Stretch out and twist until it breaks. Cut it and shape it to look like sharp teeth. Make as many as you need. Scoop out some more polymorph plastic and stretch it out and place some food colouring or something in it. I'm using cream paints. Knead it until the colours mixed right through. By the time I kneaded it all through, I had to put it back in the water to soften it again. So when it was all soft again, I took it out and rolled it into sausage again and started putting all the teeth into it. Mould it to your teeth and then push the sharp teeth up into the gums, then take something and push in between all the teeth to make it more realistic. Paint the teeth if you want or colour them before moulding them. If some fall out, just dip the tooth back in hot water and push it back up in there. And that's it for that DIY. See you in the next one.